Oppo Find X5 Pro built on the design of its predecessor, the Find X3 Pro, with a smooth, uninterrupted back panel. The vanilla Find X5 used a separate element for the camera bump in order to stick as close as possible to the design language within its budget. Those may be the last examples of said design language, at least judging by the look of the vanilla Oppo Find X6. We haven't seen anything official yet, but Ibn Blast's track record speaks for itself. The camera island is back, and it is more prominent than ever. Here is a side-by-side comparison with the 2022 Find X phones. The Hasselblad logo has been upscaled quite a bit, and there is a faint co-engineered with label above it to make it clear that Oppo is an equal partner in this relationship. To that end, there is also the Powered by Merasilicon label next to a newcomer, a periscope lens. The vanilla X5 made use of a traditional 2x telephoto lens. The X6 is getting an upgrade by the looks of it. That led some to think that the image shows the X6 Pro, but that is not the case according to Blast. Assuming that this is indeed the Oppo Find X6, and that rumors are correct, there should be a 50-megapixel 1-inch sensor inside the main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide module next to it, plus a 32-megapixel sensor behind the periscope. Also, this model should be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, while the Pros should get the Gen 2. We don't have an official reveal date for the Find X6 series yet, and it may be a while. Oppo Inno Day starts tomorrow and will feature the Find N2 foldables. The original Find N was also unveiled in mid-December, while the Find X5 series was announced in late February. What do you think about upcoming Oppo Find X6 design? Do you like it? Give your opinion in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.